In this video, we're going to have a look at an example of how to prepare a back-to-back stem and leaf plot. Now, a back-to-back stem and leaf plot is the same as a single stem and leaf plot, except you have two lots of data onto the one stem and leaf plot. So one lot of data is shown on the left of the stem. The second lot of data is shown on the right of the stem. So we have data set 1 and data set 2 on the same stem and leaf plot. This allows us to compare two lots of data onto the one stem and leaf plot. Now, to prepare a back-to-back stem and leaf plot, you follow similar steps to preparing a single stem and leaf plot. First, you want to arrange both data sets into ascending order, so from smallest to biggest. You want to decide on a scale for your stem that's going to suit both lots of data sets, and then using that scale, add on your individual numbers on both sides of your stem. On the left-hand side for the first data set, on the right-hand side for the second data set. So let's go and have a look at an example of how to prepare a back-to-back stem and leaf plot. In this example, I'm going to prepare a back-to-back stem and leaf plot for dataset A and dataset B. Now, the first step that I need to complete is arranging both datasets into ascending order. Now that the data has been arranged into ascending order, I can go ahead and decide on a scale for my stem and leaf plot. Now I'm going to use a scale of 5. And for this one, because I have 3 digits, my stem is going to be the first 2 digits, and then the last digit is going to be the leaf. So I need a scale that goes from 390 up to 418. So I'm going to have 39, because I'm doing a scale of 5, I'm going to have 39 twice, and the second one has the asterisk, 40, 41. So now I can go ahead and start putting on my leaves. So data set A, and for data set A, because it is on the left-hand side, when I go ahead and put my leaves and putting them in ascending order as I go, they're going to go from right to left. So in my first group, I'm going to have 390, 391 and 392. So 390, 391 and 392. Then in my second group, I'm going to have 397. Then I have no numbers between 400 and 404. So I leave my next line empty. And then I'm going to have 3 lots of 405. So placing my 5s in there. Then I'm going to have 411, and then 417 and 418. So I've then now completed entering my data for dataset A. So I want to do the same thing for dataset B. This time when I'm adding in my leaves, it's going from left to right in ascending order. So I've got 392 and 393, so putting in my 2 and my 3. Then I've got 395 and 399. Then I've got 401, 405, 406. Then I've got nothing in my next line. And then in my last line, I've got 417 twice and 418. So I've now completed putting in my leaf values. I need to go and add in my key, putting in my leaf and a stem example. So a stem of 39 and a leaf of 2 is going to equal to 392. So that is how you prepare a back-to-back stem and leaf plot.